Welcome to Badili Africa Unboxing. Today we have this stunning device that is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra from 2020. Every Badili phone comes in a beautiful box like this one, carefully packaged to ensure a premium unboxing experience. Look at that. On the front, you'll notice a 12-month warranty sticker, providing peace of mind for your purchase. And on the side, you'll find important information about what makes a Badili phone special. A Badili phone undergoes 32 quality checks during the refurbishment process, ensuring it's as good as new. Plus, it's available at almost half the market price, making it an affordable choice for everyone. At the back, you'll find information about how purchasing a refurbished phone from Badili is a sustainable choice, helping reduce our carbon footprint. Additionally, contact details to reach Badili are conveniently provided. Now, let's get inside the box and see what's included. First, we have a welcome card from the CEO extending a warm greeting to you. And here is a fantastic bonus, a 500 Kenyan shillings discount voucher for yourself or your friend's next purchase at Badili. Next, we have a 12-month warranty card, assuring you of the phone's quality and offering support in case of any issues. And now, the star of this show, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra itself, in all its glory. It is an enormous marvel. So let's explore But wait, there's one more compartment to explore. Inside, you'll find the necessary accessories, an advantage as Samsung and Apple no longer include power bricks and USB cables in their phones. With Badili, you have everything you need right out of the box. Here is a Samsung power brick and the corresponding USB cable. Finally, now let's take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra itself. The back of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra features a premium material, providing a sleek and elegant feel. And of course, we can't ignore the impressive camera setup, which includes a high-resolution main camera, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide-angle lens for capturing stunning photos and videos. At the bottom, you'll find the iconic S Pen, nearly tucked away in its dedicated slot. Alongside it, you have the USB Type-C for charging and data transfer. Turning our attention to the front, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra boasts an expansive screen size, providing a truly immersive experience. Get this Galaxy Note 20 Ultra from Badili for 62,000 Kenyan shillings. Until the next one, please like, share, and subscribe for more.